This is Pakistani food pakora. Delicious pakora are frying in the hot oil. You can see the Indonesian people, Indians people, and all world of people's delicious pakora. Sizzling pakora is making in hot frying oil. Oil is so hot, and pakoda is making. You can eat pakoda in Pakistani culture. Pakistani culture is a desi culture, and you can see naan tikki, rolls, and patties are lying frying in the box. It is a delicious dish. Whenever you come in Pakistan, you can taste it. Every Pakistan like it. Delicious pakoda dishes. It is a shop located in Francisabad. Okay.